Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you navigate the wild world of products so you can spend your hard-earned cash wisely. Today, we're diving into the steamy battle of the century. It's the Bissell Steam Mop versus the TVD Steam Cleaner. It's like watching a soap opera, but with less drama and more dirt. Let's kick things off with price. The Bissell is definitely the wallet-friendly option. At $92, you can get decent dinner afterward. Meanwhile, the TVD is like that friend who orders the lobster and then expects you to split the bill. At $179, it's a commitment. But hey, maybe it comes with a side of luxury? Reviewers have noted that the Bissell Steam Mop offers great value for its price, making it a popular choice for budget-conscious buyers. On the other hand, while the TVD Steam Cleaner is pricier, users have praised its performance and versatility, suggesting that the investment is worth it for those who need a more powerful machine. Now, let's talk cleaning power. The Bissell boasts a mighty 1,500 watts and claims to eliminate 99.9% of germs and bacteria. I mean, that's almost like a superhero in mop form. Meanwhile, the TVD uses high-pressure steam to break down dirt and grime without any cleaning product residues. It's like the eco-warrior of steam cleaners, saving the planet one stubborn stain at a time. Reviewers of the Bissell have been impressed with its effectiveness on tough stains and grime, while TVD users appreciate its ability to clean a variety of surfaces, making both products strong contenders in this category. When it comes to capacity, the TVD wins with its 52 ounces water tank. That means you can clean for up to 50 minutes without a refill. The Bissell, on the other hand, is more of a sprinter. It heats up in 30 seconds, but requires constant refills. So if you have a big house, you might want to consider your endurance. Bissell is like a quick jog, while TVD is a marathon. Reviewers of the TVD have highlighted its long runtime as a major benefit, while Bissell users appreciate the quick heat-up time, making it more convenient for smaller cleaning tasks. Let's not forget features. The Bissell has a built-in easy scrubber for those tough spots, and even includes odor-eliminating fragrance discs. So you can clean and make your home smell like a spring meadow. The TVD, on the other hand, comes with 28 accessories. I mean, it's like the Swiss Army knife of steam cleaners. Need to strip wallpaper? No problem. Want to clean your grill? You got it. This thing is ready for anything. Except maybe a social life. Reviewers of the TVD have raved about its extensive accessory kit, while Bissell users enjoy the added convenience of features specifically designed for home cleaning. And how about ease of use? The Bissell is straightforward, just mop and go. The TVD requires a bit more finesse, with a trigger to release steam and a steam engine lock to prevent accidental releases. It's like trying to operate a spaceship instead of a mop. So if you're a fan of simplicity, Bissell is your buddy. If you want a challenge, grab the TVD. Reviewers of the Bissell appreciate its user-friendly design, while some TVD users have mentioned the learning curve associated with its more complex features. In summary, both the Bissell Steam Mop and the TVD Steam Cleaner have their unique strengths based on user reviews. The Bissell is highly praised for its affordability, ease of use, and effective cleaning on various surfaces, while the TVD is lauded for its versatility, powerful performance, and extensive accessory options. Ultimately, the choice between them will depend on individual cleaning needs and budget preferences. So what's the verdict? If you're looking for an affordable, user-friendly option that gets the job done, the Bissell Steam Mop is your best bet. But if you want versatility, power, and an accessory kit that could rival your entire cleaning arsenal, the TVD Steam Cleaner is calling your name. Just be prepared to fork out a few extra bucks. At the end of the day, It all comes down to your cleaning needs and budget. Remember, folks, a clean home is a happy home, and with our comparisons, you can make the smartest buying decision. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which steam cleaner you'd choose. Until next time, keep it clean and buy smart.